Hey.
Good morning, everyone. We are out here. It is bright and early.
Yeah.
San Francisco, California.
City style.
So we just drove down. We have a farmer's market going on in the
background.
And
the city happening.
Just
and
exploring.
Then and then we are doing a couple looks, starting with the athletic.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little athletic vibe, and then we're gonna do a little Shane partnership.
Yeah, Shane official.
Yeah. It's gonna be awesome.
Stay tuned. Bye.
I'm down tonight, but there's just one thing I need to wrap my head around. Yeah, I don't know if I can take another date and enough by myself, make a move. It's time for you to step up. Yeah, it's now or never. Tonight better be the night. Then we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're almost together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss. Not gonna force you, but I will slap you if you leave me dry. Don't be so gentle all the time, all the time. I think I've earned it for all the dates that I've been
Behind the scenes. Nothing really. Nothing exciting.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's